Let's get moving today. I've got a real light, gentle, low impact 10-minute session today as I recover from surgery, and I have these amazing resistance bands today. If you have some bands, grab them, join in. If you don't have any bands, no worries, you can do the exercises without. I'm just gonna reach over my head and gently stretch my arms down. This is an amazing product from a very dear friend of mine who makes these. There is a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing a set. You get a little bit of a discount, and I assure you they are a tremendous asset to anybody's fitness toolkit. Great for assistance, resistance, really is gonna help you move better. As I recover from surgery, I've been using these every morning, and they really have made a huge difference for me. So if you don't have any bands, just arms are up, and you're just reaching up. Just join in, no worries. It's just about moving more. I believe in moving more. 2-8 Bands believes in moving better. We have many of the same philosophies. We just differ in small ways. I'm gonna go a little side bend, and I can use the bands just to stretch my arms out and give me that resistance a little bit more. And again, without the bands, I'm just moving side to side. We're just showing up every day to continue to build incredible consistency and discipline. As we hang out by the Baltic Sea today, another little windy day, but hey, springtime in Finland is a time to be outside. That's what's great about the Finns, actually. They're outside 12 months of the year. The weather doesn't stop them. There's no bad weather, just bad clothing, as they say in the Nordics. Oh, brilliant. I'm gonna take my band. I have these great loops that we can use around my back. I'm just gonna push out. So you're just pushing out with or without bands, but I'm gonna add a bit of a side step. These bands really are great if you're suffering with some neck strain or soreness in the upper back, want to increase your mobility. They've been really helpful to me as I recover from surgery. I use them every other day as well, just to get moving. Just a nice prompt to move more. And anything that helps us move more, I fully support. Just step it out and push those arms out as much as you can. Feel it in the upper back so we get that great mobility in the upper back and the neck area. Modify each exercise. This is quite difficult for me right now. I'm just gonna focus on what I can do, honor what I can do, and not focus on what I can't. Brilliant. Whoa. Okay. Just want to get on the balls of my feet and just move a bit. Got my bands here, just around. I'm just shaking it out. Just want to move more, so that eventually we can move better. Oh, give yourself a little hug. Move about your space as dynamically as possible. We're not going to become Mr. Olympian or Mrs. Olympia with these workouts. We continue to show up every day. We are going to build incredible strength. Move through our day with more ease. Functional fitness. Can I bend over and tie up my shoe with no pain? That, to me, is a heck of a good sign of a healthy, happy life. I'm going to step on my bands, and I'm going to row up, but also bring a little bit of a squat down. So without the bands, just do your squat, and then bring your shoulders up. Touch your shoulders to your ears. And just find a nice flow. Can you hear the seagulls? Right? Just sound, not noise. There we go. Mood's boosted. Energy is elevated. Mission accomplished. Now let's build some strength, mobility, engage that core for wonderful core stability. Bring your breath into each movement, real mindful movement, especially if you're like me and maybe you're recovering from something. Ooh. Just a couple more. Brilliant. Gonna step out. I'm just going to shoot my arms forward. So basically into a punch, but I'm more twisting than punching. I can just get a little extra resistance at the end when I have these incredible bands with me. Yeah. Move more to move better. Hey, there's a good, yeah, that's the tagline. Stick with it. Okay, now but take that and just, I went forward. I'm gonna come to the side now. I'm just opening up my chest and upper back a bit. You could get your legs going as well. Hey, why not? Whew. I can feel this in the upper back, in the neck. Day by day, I'm recovering, feeling stronger. We're still gonna keep it nice and easy, light movements, so that we can move more throughout our day. So when we see a flight of stairs, we're like, yeah, let's go racing up those. We go into a parking lot, pick the furthest parking spot away from the door. Oh, that's so liberating. You're not looking for parking spots right by the door. No, I'll leave that to somebody who really needs it more. Maybe a mother with several children, maybe an elderly person. That's not us. No, we park way far away so we can get some extra steps in. Oh yes, couple more. Oh, brilliant. Oh, whew. This extra resistance in just this, I can definitely feel. I just want to shake it out. Oh, let's just brisk walk. We're outside. This is my tip of the day, which is just about every day. Get out for that evening walk. Get outside, fresh air, embrace nature, embrace the superpower of walking. I'm gonna go a little higher into a march. Oh, I'm definitely getting better. Yes. Oh, such gratitude for the ability to move. So fortunate. Oh. I'm just gonna go a little bit quicker. Swing the arms. Oh yeah. Shake that out. Now I grab my bands again. Oh, I just have them in the front. Going with a wide stance. And I'm just gonna do a little windmill. But I'm pulling my arms out a little bit further so I have a nice tension with the bands. Again, bands are not necessary for this move. It just adds an extra component. Makes things a little bit more dynamic. And it's kind of cool how they're fluttering in the wind like that. I'm trying to keep a flat back. This is nice on the triceps too as I pull apart the bands. Breathe. Just a couple more. Oh, that's beautiful. Well done today. I often use these as my prompt for a little bit of stillness time too. That I can just rest in this position I invite you to let's just be here, absorb everything we've just done, take it all in, shoot yourself a little bit of gratitude for showing up again, for staying consistent, building incredible discipline. Remember, comment, life is good, job done, something to inspire me, inspire others to get moving. Let's continue to grow this amazing community. I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye for now.